In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete watch history on Snapchat. Before we start, you need to know something. Snapchat does not have a dedicated watch history feature or a clear watch history button for videos you watch in Spotlight, Stories, or Discover. There is no official way to delete only your watch history on Snapchat right now, so instead we will clear related data that Snapchat actually lets you remove. Now open Snapchat on your phone. As soon as the app loads, you should see the camera screen with the shutter button at the bottom and icons around it. If you are not logged in, go ahead and sign in first so that the settings we change apply to your account. Once Snapchat is open, tap your profile Bitmoji in the top left corner. This takes you to your profile screen, where you see your Snap code, your username, your Snap score, and your friends options. Viewing this screen does not change anything yet. It just gives you access to the app controls we need. From there, tap the settings icon that looks like a small gear in the top right corner. This opens the full settings menu. You will see a long list of sections such as account details, support, notifications, and more. We are going to scroll down to the privacy section where Snapchat keeps the data controls. Next, scroll down until you reach App and Privacy. Then find the option called My Privacy and Data. When you see My Privacy and Data, tap it. On this screen, Snapchat groups options that relate to the information it stores about how you use the app. This is where you can manage different types of history and stored data for your account. On the My Privacy and Data page, tap Clear Data. A new screen appears that lists several types of data you can remove from your device and from your visible history inside Snapchat. Each item you see controls a specific kind of record, and you can usually tap into them or confirm clearing them from here. You can clear items such as search history. This removes the past terms and accounts you have searched for inside Snapchat, so the search bar suggestions become less influenced by what you looked up earlier. Beginners are often surprised that their previous searches still show up, and clearing this list is how you remove those suggestions. You can also clear scan history. Snapchat Scan is what identifies things when you point the camera at objects, songs, or products. Removing scan history forgets those previous scans from your visible history, which can slightly change what Snapchat suggests when you use Scan again. Another option is shopping history. This relates to items and shopping-related content you interacted with through Snapchat. Clearing shopping history removes those stored shopping interactions from your account view, which may help if you no longer want product-related recommendations based on older activity. From here you can clear sticker searches as well. That wipes the list of stickers and GIF searches you have typed into Snapchat. You will notice that after clearing it, the sticker search field feels fresh again, without the old recent search terms appearing below it. There is also cache, which is temporary data that helps the app load things faster. Clearing your cache frees storage on your device and removes locally saved thumbnails and previews, but your saved memories and chats stay intact because they are stored differently on Snapchat servers. Finally, you can clear other supported data categories that are available on your account on this Clear Data screen. The exact list can vary between users and app versions, so just review what appears and decide which records you want Snapchat to forget from your visible activity. Before we wrap up, an important note. Clearing your cache or search history here does not erase a separate Spotlight or Discover watch history, because Snapchat does not currently provide that feature at all. If you are trying to reset your recommendations, clearing search history and cache may gradually help as you keep using the app, but Snapchat does not guarantee any immediate reset in what you see. You have now cleared the Snapchat data that you can control to get as close as possible to deleting watch-related history. If this helped you clean up your Snapchat activity, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more straightforward guides like this.